Okay, I am live, and as usual, this is my Facebook Live number 10, and it's been a journey going live and still trying to figure out how to actually be less nervous and improve at the same time. Yep, so it's been quite a while since I've started this Facebook Live. Yep, so today's topic will be on productivity and on like softwares or apps that I'm currently using on my daily basis. So the main app would be Google Calendar, where I'm scheduling all my schedule, and yeah, and mostly more on like time time on the time boxing technique. Yeah. So number one is I'm using Google Calendar to plan out my day. And then second one will be Notion. I'm not sure if you guys have heard about Notion. Then third one would be Rome Research. And this is I've been testing out like a few months now, and it's been quite an app that to actually put down all your notes, your research and everything. Because previously I was actually using Google documents to actually put all my research or notes. So it's sort of like very messy in a way where I can't really link link the link it prop sort of like link it properly, as in like let's say I'm writing a notes or notes on like marketing. Then this is from this note is from maybe Gary V or something. Then and I'm let's say if I'm doing another notes on another topic and it's also from Gary V, then I have if I'm using Google documents, I'll have different documents, and I can't really link it. So if now currently I'm using Research, I just open a new page, type you know type the notes from whoever I'm listening to and writing the notes, and I just put the name and tag it. So a new page will be created for this person, and then whenever I click this person's name, it will list down all the notes that I actually link it to this person. So it's actually two way, so you can actually link um here and there, and it's sort of like create a web when your notes or uh research gets bigger and a lot more. It's something like a mind map, and you can actually do your journal. Then when that day you sort of like meet a new person, you can actually create a new page for that person. Then whatever in the future, it happens that you meet, or something's that your notes is related to that person, you can actually tag, then it will sort of like automatically link back to that person. So you don't need to actually manually go to every page and do the linking. Yeah, so that's what I like about Research. So but so back to Notion. Notion is more on like I track all my subscriptions instead of doing using this Excel. Yeah. So more on like setting goals, doing like trading journals to record my journals, and another one would be vision board. I use Notion to put pictures and so on. Yep. So that's one of the one of three main apps or software that I'm currently using. So before I continue or moving on, if you're watching live, just hashtag um live in the comment, and if you're watching the replay, just hashtag replay in the comment. And yeah, if you like know more about like how I manage my productivity or what are the apps that I'm currently using, then I'll just after the this video end I'll just put a link, a list in the comment. Yeah. So yeah. So that's the three main sort of like productivity apps that I'm actually currently using. So if you guys have other apps or software that you're currently using, maybe you can just put it down in the comment and maybe you can exchange. And another one I recently was recommended was Airr code. Yeah, I think I've if not mistaken it's called Airr code. And it's sort of like um if you're listening to a podcast, uh, the app itself has is also linked to all the major podcasts that everybody's listening. So what it does is that whenever you listen to certain clips that you like or you want to take note of, you can actually click um the button on your earphone, then you automatically save that track or clips. You can set the duration, how when you click it, at 35 seconds before uh before it, so you save that 35 seconds and so on. So after that, um it will be safe. Then you maybe after if you're listening it to while if you're listening the podcast while you are working out or doing something, you can actually replay back all the sort of like highlights lah, that you want to put it down or write it down as a notes. Yeah. So um other than that, if you want to like integrate it with Rome, and or what you want to save it, you can actually try Readwise. That one was also recommended by my coach. Yeah, so Readwise is also something like if you're reading articles in certain apps like Pockets, Kindle, or anything whatever that you're highlighting, it will actually save it to in one place. Yes. Then Readwise can also sort of like integrate it to Rome, and then it will automatically sync to Rome, and then you can actually go back to Rome and edit your the notes to to your own format, and so on. So these are some of my productivity apps or software that I'm currently using. And yeah, so that's all I want to actually share about the today's topic. Yeah. So see you guys next week and see you. Bye.